Choosing the right laptop is crucial as it will match your cost perfectly. Whether it is content creation, productivity, or just daily simple use, the right laptop will help you seamlessly power through them. In today's video, we are going to showcase 5 of the best laptops of this year to get your hands on the right one.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Starting at number 5, we have the HP 15. A budget-oriented yet powerful laptop here to organize your life a little better with full control at your fingertips. This user-friendly machine comes with 256GB SSD storage and an 11th Gen Core i5 processor to outclass traditional hard drives and processing power. Safe to say, multitasking will be a breeze with added higher bandwidth thanks to 8GB of RAM. See all your teachers, students, friends, or colleagues in a micro-edge bezel display, while the HD webcam will assist you in your remote working or virtual classroom. Energy efficient, this Pro tool will remain on the go for 7 hours and 15 minutes on a full battery and takes approximately 45 minutes to reach 50% for this laptop. To sum up, with its decent performing specs and goodies, the HP 15 is a suitable pick for research and academic works if you're a teacher or a student with greater value to offer. Next up at number 4, we have the Zephyrus G15, a stylish all-around gaming laptop with high-end components and a brilliant display panel. Under the hood, this premium laptop is equipped with a Ryzen 9 5900HS processor, 16GB of RAM, and an RTX 3060 graphics chip for executing gaming and rendering tasks. The storage availability ranges between 512GB to up to 1TB of NVMe SSD for you to customize according to your demand. This 15.6-inch laptop has a native resolution of 2560 by 1440p with a refresh rate of 165Hz that feels outright smooth and responsive to play competitive games on. It also incorporates 2 USB-C and 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports along with a couple of other connectivity options. The 90Wh battery on this thing enables it to last for up to 8 hours of regular use, which is indeed remarkable. Weighing only about 4 pounds, this laptop is a perfect portable workstation for you to take it almost anywhere. Overall, the Zephyrus G15 is a remarkable laptop from ASUS for gaming and has decent potential for rendering tasks too. At number 3, we have the Surface Laptop 4 from Microsoft, a perfect blend of style, performance, and speed to go along with your digital nomad lifestyle. The ultra-thin design of this laptop, combined with its invisible hinges, makes it look really sleek and effortless to open with just one finger. You can get it with either the 11th Gen i7 processor or Ryzen 7 4980 mobile processor if you are into the AMD variant. With that being said, memory and storage availability stretches as far as 32GB and 1TB respectively, which gives you a handful of options to choose from. Now onto its 15-inch PixelSense display that has a native resolution of 2496 by 1664p for greater visibility in varying light conditions. Battery life is also top of the line, where Microsoft claims it to have up to 17.5 hours of backup for typical productive tasks. The Surface Laptop 4 is indeed an amazing portable workstation for modern business people who are always on the move. Coming up at number 2, we have the MacBook Pro and MacBook Air, two premium laptops from Apple's end with their most powerful M1 chip and lots of possibilities for creatives. It goes without saying that Apple delivers the most optimized user experience, and now with their latest M1 chip, the possibilities are just endless. According to Apple, this chip can process images 7.1 times faster and 3.9 times for video processing compared to previous processors. Both the MacBook Pro and MacBook Air have 13.3-inch Retina displays with a native resolution of 2560 by 1600p that are capable of showing on-screen content with greater color vibrancy and rich detailing. For port, you get two Thunderbolt 3 that does pretty well for fast power delivery and data transfer. The design languages, as always, holds that premium wow factor of silvery finishing that most enthusiasts will admire. Apple's outstanding optimization enables both of these laptops to have an astounding battery backup of up to 20 hours on the Pro and up to 15 hours on the Air model that you can rely on for basically any type of task. If you are prioritizing performance and quality over everything else, then you should go for the MacBook series of laptops without giving it a second thought. Finally, at number 1, we have the XPS 15 from Dell, a compact and performance-intensive laptop with a super impressive display and lots of ports. This laptop integrates up to an 11th Gen i9 Intel processor along with 64GB of RAM and 2TB of M.2 SSD that you can expand further anytime you want. On top of that, this 15.6-inch laptop is available with 3 screen settings, Full HD non-touch, 3.5K touch, and 4K 500 nits that gives you a handful of options to choose from. Both IONs hold a total of 2 Thunderbolt 4 and 1 Type-C port capable of acting as both DisplayPort and power delivery for maximum utility. And that leaves us with its 86 Wh battery with a backup of up to 10 hours, which in our opinion is quite impressive. To sum things up, the Dell XPS 15 is an outstanding laptop that combines performance and reliability brilliantly, making it overall the best option that you can get your hands on. So that was all about the top 5 best laptops of this year. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.